Virgin Galactic has revealed the cabin interior of its first Spaceship 2 vehicle. Using inspired and bold design to transform the customer experiences, the cabin is both elegant, sleek, and at the same time progressive and experience-focused. The interior of the first Spaceship 2 vehicle by Virgin Galactic was created in collaboration with London design agency. Cabin design driven by astronaut experience, individually sized, reclining seats for G-force management, and flow zone volume. The color palette of the cabin has been carefully curated, so that it complements the architecture of the seat, the cabin itself and spacesuits. Aspiring astronauts can bring their dream of spaceflight one step closer by joining the Virgin Galactic Spacefarer community today. The halo surrounds the 12 large windows have soft extended edges, which allow astronauts to perfectly position themselves for 360 degrees of awe-inspiring views.